Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Okay, inside of our Fly Racing Helmet Garage, we have another Icon Airform military-themed helmet. This is the Semper Fi, $225. It's going to ship with both a gold and a clear shield, which is still currently installed on the helmet. It's another military-themed helmet to go along with that Warthog we showed you the previous week, right? We really have a deep appreciation here for all those that have chosen to serve this great country of ours and love it when they come out with this military-themed stuff. I think these are both really well done. End of the day, this is a nice helmet. Little badge back there. Armed Forces Collection. Pretty damn cool. Drop down enter screen. $225 available now.